How do you claim Lenskart warranty? So, first, check your warranty. Open Lenskart, go to My Orders, and then check your invoice. Because most products come with a limited warranty, usually for manufacturing defects. And then, next step is to gather proof. You'll need order ID, photos of the issue, broken frame, lens problem, or whatever the issue is with your glasses. Make sure the damage is clearly visible. And then, next step is to raise a request. Go to the apps or website and then head to help or support and then go to return, replace, or warranty. Submit your issue with details and photos and then just wait for approval. And if approved, they'll offer replacement or repair or store credit depending on the case. So it's either you schedule a pickup or visit a nearby Lenskart store with your product. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.